happy Saturday. Hope y'all's doing well and taking care. So today I've got some serious cleaning to do. I have been slacking the last few days. I have been cooking and baking and trying some new recipes, and I have not done my dishes because I've just been lazy. Let's just be honest. And I've got some other things to do in the house that I want to get caught up on. So I thought I would bring you guys along with me, hoping that this would give you some motivation to get some things done around your house as well. Lord, this hair's got a mind of its own this morning. I think I'm just gonna have to put it up in a ponytail. Well, let's get into it. Y'all, I think I got so many dishes, I'm gonna have to do this in a couple different batches. I decided to put my apron on because I have to put a lot of bleach in these dishes. That's how bad it is. Alright guys, we got it done. As you can see behind me, I didn't show the actual process because my husband actually went behind me and dried everything off and put it away. So now let's move on to the next task. What I like to do is after I get all my dishes cleaned and my sink cleaned out, I like to take some baking soda and pour down my drains. Like a whole lot. And then I take some vinegar, which I buy my vinegar in like big 2-gallon bottles. So this is just a bottle that I'm repurposing, and I just keep vinegar in it for up here. And then I just like to pour some vinegar down just to give my drains a little refreshing, clean out. We don't have a garbage disposal, but sometimes food does get down in our drains and it can smell funky. So I like to do that occasionally. Run some hot water to rinse it down. And it's cheap and easy. Then you get your man to fill up your soap dispenser for you. And now we take a moment of drink. Little V8 energy juice. So good. Not sponsored. Don't forget to stay hydrated. And as usual, my couch is in despair. You can see my heating pad and my snuggly blanket and just pillows everywhere. So let's get that straightened up. So now I'm just going to do some dusting before I sweep and mop my floors. And I just use my good old Swiffer. But I do like to dust first because that way I can knock everything down on the floor and then I can vacuum it up afterwards. If you guys hear noises in the background, that's just my air conditioner kicking on because I get hot when I clean. So I kick the AC on and then my husband's playing the guitar in the background. But if you saw this on my coffee table, this is like chapstick for your feet, y'all. I got this off of Ulta Beauty. It's a peppermint moisturizing foot balm. And it's just like a chapstick. And you just put this like on the heels and stuff on your feet if you have a problem with cracked, dry heels. You just put this on like every day, 2 or 3 times a day whenever you think about it. And this is awesome. It's been working so far. And I like it because you don't get like lotion and stuff, like if you use like a foot lotion or whatever, you don't get that all over your hands. And you just put this on and good to go. decided to turn on all fall because it's a very dark and gloomy fall day. What do y'all think? Okay guys, we got that vacuum. Now I'm going to vacuum my kitchen and then try to get it mopped. This is just a super simple, basic clean with me video. Just mopping, vacuuming, dusting, and getting the kitchen and bathroom clean. I'm not going into a lot of detail today because I don't really want to spend a lot of time on this Saturday cleaning. My husband's going to be going hunting here soon, and I'm going to see if I can talk him into playing a game with me before he leaves. One of my favorite games to play is Skip-Bo, Connect Four, and he doesn't necessarily like to play those games with me because he always loses.
I like Sorry.
And he likes to play the game Sorry because that's the only game he can beat me at. And he just gets all tore up. He's very competitive if he loses. I mean, I don't care either way, but I mean, I like winning because like he likes to lose. Well, I've almost completed all of my to-do list today. Thank you guys for watching. It means so much to me. I hope that you've enjoyed it. And if you're interested in who won the game, then continue watching. ready to go down. Losers first.
Look at that.
Look, I win.
I was like, yeah, she ain't gonna see it, but I didn't see that. I hate this game.
Someday, grasshopper. Hey, I'm winning. I winded. You're not even thinking. I done won.
Oh,
I won again.
God. I win.
He won.
She let me do it. No. She let me win.
No, you did it all by yourself.
You really didn't see it?
I mean, there was nothing I could do about it, but yeah, I saw it.
Well, that's awesome, and I set it up that way. Playing that ahead, like from like my
Jay, you don't even plan, so don't even act like it. Let's go, bro.
Losers first.
At least you're cute.
Because I'm not very smart.
Smart. Just let me win. Boom! Shaka-laka-laka, boom!
I quit.
I know. You wanna play a game? Maybe you can win?
Nope.
Like that. Game over.
I quit.
Because he's a loser, baby.